Learning how to use CAD was one of the smartest moves I've ever made. Just look around you, almost everything you see started life on a CAD program. I'm Tom Norris, I'm an architectural designer, and I use CAD every day to create beautiful homes for people to live in. Right, here we are. We're using TurboCAD 2022 Deluxe, and what we want to do is customize the right click. So at the moment the right click is showing the tools that I like to have for architectural drawings, and that's basically these line tools and the modify tools. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to add these tools to your right click. So let's go up here, top right, and we're going to go to pop-up toolbars, and we're going to remove all the tools. And now I'll show you the right click. All you've got is the pointer, a couple of other bits, but you've got no tools effectively. So if we go back up, right click, brings up the customize, go for pop-up toolbars, and we want modify and we want line. This is for architectural design. Maybe you might have other things in mind. Now you can have a look through these tools and you can add on what you want, but I'm basically showing you how to do it, so you add what it is you want. For me it's architectural drawing, so I'm using line and modify. Now, so if I right click, I've got all my line tools, which is effectively these ones, and I've got all the modify tools, and it's that simple. That's how we add or customize the right click. So we're going to do it one more time. Up here to the top, pop-up toolbars, take out line, modify, close. So if I right click, I've got zilch. If I want to bring the tools back, right click, customize, go to pop-up toolbars, and this time I want modify and line again, and here you go. I've got, these are the tools I've got. So if I'm working in the middle of the page, these are really quick to get to, as against having to go across or go up. So that's it. That's how you modify your right click to get the tools that you want. Up here, customize, pop-up toolbars, and add, just select and add what it is you want. In case you're wondering why these are not showing, it's because I don't have anything on the drawing. So if I put something on the drawing, it'll change. Right click, now you can see that the ones that I can use, they're all available to me. Okay, brilliant. This is a pretty short lesson, but it's a really good one, so enjoy, and see you on the next lesson. Okay, bye bye.